All right, this is a view into an elevator shaft of an old vintage Dover. Anyways, in case you don't know, this actually used to be an old elevator before it was replaced. See that door right there? This actually used to be an old elevator before. This is something. Wow.
Oh yeah, I do it about 3 or 4 times a day.
This is amazing. And that down there is into the elevator pit right there. I'm assuming this was originally a manual Otis before Dover completely replaced the entire elevator. You can see all the other equipment completely blocked off this door right here. This is awesome. Anyways, this is definitely being done with supervision. So please do not attempt what you see in this video. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.